mwancho morigereri bw'Ensoko TV na gukwanire kurando nsiasore asomogoroba obono kingo kwarigania tuyanyore amaya y'Ensoko TV asinchira yo bwenge elietariane Ishmael Mogere. Karibu na boko bwati ama y'Ensoko TV chinsa ikomicha bono mogoroba gwetera so mutandao o Facebook na boigo YouTube Ensoko TV. Mubari bwe serikali na boigo abobisa bubotuki nigo bagendera takora umuroberio bwo tindokora omubere onyagusira Faith Kemuto oyo kagere goitwa na gutinde kwase ribwago ensemo ya Mausi ward ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira no mwancho ya Gideon Makori we miaka 23. Gideon Makori nigo anchiradete ko moita mwancho ye amatukatato aitire na kubeko byara imyo muchie o Nairobi.
Nasamalita na kolongwa mangile weyo nyengo umwana weyo nyagusira Faith igaro mwana inganeye igona nyenyorete ngarangagirete sibinga umwana uri kwenda university na Charles munyari koba kagusira kurumba nganyara koba inkomotebinga igiteke no gukora ogenda uri poti bakaripot alafu kurugagu bakayapatia ikanyaorekana nga umwana uyu igaitire
umwana uyu itirwa senjire tamanya kaneti ande kabatemiri bagwatira umuntu oyo okagire nganero moitete tukubule serikali yanderere ko chuza kabisa na inde ni kunyarekana umuntu utaringe beka konenta umuntu kwete baka kujya kumutindeka yara abantu baratinde kutokora abantu kubatira amantu ko umuntu igonga wembali ba mugwatise tiko tinde ko umwana oyo gaiga bamanyekane nekara bamanyekanire irinde be tunzu baegwe susuro etikoba eso masa abantu ababake abantu abanene bali bagwatita bitimbe cyo gukora ibintu by'ubunezi aro bakibutika rende gukora amangana munaya abantu bamenye no murembe
manje Livingstone yo muchi West Mugirango location order net sub location sana ena ya maya yembo mo mata sub location asumo biro to taliki 30 ang taliki moja ona akero sininga mugeno dokra kageranga myako gocha karona ikanga sangia abantu badisia okuwekera nyombara bakwadira nekuligeria basanginge tukina roje kaini karongo muswati sire tongoli kubona ro akaya kabagata nambo wati nguricho kurusia obako ganya montaje ogurwe pathologist acha kurusia
mwana munyaruko yo gale kurukwa Faith Ovino 20 years abwenda ko join Machakos University tariki 25 mutinyo yonana lakini ikaborete kurusobo tariki 30 mutinyo 7 aso agata kurusobo iga kagwa nesini mamu mwaje mutega mamu waka mutebi kuranjo muteje no munda mona nachire umbe karajete iga gachiko kasamo janga naruko iga simi yaika gendofu ba temere kumuriyo mutinyo yo mubima yege tega no ajite kasanja basiri dia bakataba aya umuntu nale kuna kochatu na mumurumu wabo Nairobi lakini kutumia na betari safari ko mwereju ana telecom itangani akabasa basiri 500 ko bateyera Faith bakakira ria kabere akaja kabatebya Faith imo kuriga otwa muitete tukamutinde keke nyirotya mawushange ne tangi akiyako gereda akiyako geraba shiti bono batete boja akaraba ete message yiwo timboka
togotigana nayo ekiombe gya agenda 27 kiarura matuka 5 na abire guchia sekiombe gyokoronge ichimbwa na kurwanya obukurumi mense EACC kumubeka byara umugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo kubwatkana na mamocho amubwatiraneti obukurumi asebatebere Nyaribo tagwendereti kobera obisi kogera nigo asinyire gwikirania emeremo abana inchi bamochorerete anyare kagokora.
We have received more than 48 billion, but if you go on the ground, these developments are in the stomach of this governor. You cannot see it even if you use a microscope. So there is no development. If there is a development in Nyamira, is it either done by the national government or it's something which is done by World Bank all just a donation. But the money meant for development, which is coming from national government under devolution, there is nothing to show. Even this governor cannot show you. We don't even have counted quotas. There is nothing. Easy classes, there's nothing. That's our business. There is nothing you can negotiate with a thief. If you see that thief, you can be encouraged to be a thief. We are not encouraging any negotiation. We have confirmed naivete. That's what we have told the SEC. 7 days. Arrest this governor. If you are not arresting him,
saya bwatkene ne chisemi ekero chiskuru chia chakire goseria aboroki wa uchinka asokoreta chibesa nigensemo yabo ibe uri kurwo muchi obusongo besokirie na kwemurunganiria eserikali asokonyorwa kubwatuka chibesa icho asekeribuna nigo yarieteira ne chitome bwango nigo bayiganire serikali uchibwatoka erio aborokiwa bayarigani boikiranu asamatemu amanene yetamwe yega ya gatatu
Ngoro kupita onsongo no momenyo bosongo gaiga kisi gaiga asa maoni ane nabongi gwete bobe sana ekaro tokorigereri gaiga taoni nabo torocha abana go bakonya gwetana na gaiga gokuba boringi ekogera muri school gaiga batebetwa seriwe school fees bono etamwe ye ne nyenge sana erindo sari korigereri muna abana bakonya go seri guiga na beta kire serikali erigererie onyore ne chibese chikonya go seri abana serikali njateba yatumire chibesa lakini akaroko ligereri bono iga kwanyoranga bese nchira atumu skuru
ntobegeta abana skuru no enkorwa serikali yentangani ntuma itubuna twale koirana na serikali yale kwanja etutigera abana skuru senginjo nyene skuru fees na botokonya gwakana kogendera bune gwakana nginjwae bana talire ro twabanyora kurukale no bari igo birengeri byane ngosaba serikali etokonye tutigera abana skuru onye nechi besa tandere gwakana ngora
capitation the problem tarina na serikali yose capitation na serikali etara rules chibesa ya capitation woni skuru chibwate bade nene
na rongo boria serikali asinginjo nonya na serikali ya itete kurumagega nkuru yarenge chibesa skuru bono ni gonta itete kuboria serikali yero magoso kiatoka gose ningi kiabe nje chibesa jinjietherie budget chia abana be skuru igongo boria serikali asogwanje kwa yebwato kichibese esenginjo njiethirie budget nga njiro jigwakanirwa abana wajibwatoke elinde
Muwaziri omuya bwekigancha bwe county ya Kisii Richard Atandi Armstrong nigachakire emirimo ya yebene magiga yokwegwekero gekyo n'omugabana bwe county ya Kisii abwaseritiko lya lero akoliro omubaro o community health volunteers abubare ase county ya Kisii gokwana ime ya Kenyenye sub county ya Bumachoge Atandi nigatebire buna omubaro uyo nigora chigokorwa ime chi sub county chonsi cha Kisii elio kubarusia bari batari asemeremo na baria batamanyire ne serikali ya county ya Kisii.
I'm Atandi Armstrong Richard, Finance Minister Kisii County. Today we're in Kenyenya to do this exercise, which has been very successful. Mainly to know whether we have ghost workers or not ghost workers. But what I can say is that it has been successful. We've been able to meet our people. They're happy. They have sent their greetings to our Executive Governor, and this has happened in other counties, constituencies, and our people are happy.
Okogenda kurikwa na andu maya kwa uri toke kurogo soko kurio bali toke kwa ira sai gaki simbatari omuya His Excellency ono tingo tingwana moronda masoko ko musariri chikura kwa balende kali omuya asante
ono ntu twato muno ne gavana ato tuma toche ko muirira mangana batumna to waligere tigamna to genda to kuna kurika mangana akoru Kenyenya talibo
Ekomiti iya chorwa n'umurai wense William Ruto guchia kumurekera ogwakanwa kwa bari batigeretwe ne chingoma na gusiria obugima chinga kichokorobekana batianiwe guchaka korwa bakoreri bwabo bene Komiti iyo nigera chikoragwa no mosemi b'omurayi bwense Professor Makau Mutua.
Shall acknowledge the voices of those who have suffered while protecting victims and their dependents from being silenced, to the perpetrators of such heinous crimes and to your masters. In Genesis 9, chapter 9, verse 6, whoever sheds the blood of man, by man shall his blood be shed, for God made man in his own image. My loyalty is to you, the people of Kenya, and my learned friends who I serve at the Law Society of Kenya. I intend to guard this duty jealously and execute my mandate diligently. Should my efforts be frustrated or cannot be or undermined in any manner whatsoever, I am prepared to do the honorable thing in fidelity with the rule of law and the Constitution of Kenya. Inspired by the memories and plight of every victim, may we find guidance in the spirit of the Constitution and let justice be our shield and defender.
Thank you very much for joining us today to launch what is a historic initiative. I also want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, for taking what is a bold and unprecedented step to leap into history by establishing this process, which is unique and which is singular in our nation and on the continent of Africa. I also want to thank the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, who has expressed unqualified support for this initiative. I want to thank the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, who has been a champion of victims in this country and who has spearheaded, together with the President, a national healing process. And this one in particular, he has been a singular voice calling for compensation of victims.
Musacho yomo aserieta mumo ndiwa we myaka 55 wekiwe busi bwekigambiro kya Machakos asanchiranire gutwara ebintu bikageire gokora oborogi ebintu ebyo ng'amonetuki y'abantu amayo chinchara nabo ige ebintu binde byo gukumya mumo nigabe getubyara maiga y'abanyanyimbo bakora obutuki kubwatukana n'obwoiti bw'omusubati oyomo asomochie o Machakos agakora ekyo nigo kyaenekiwe no monene w'ekiombe kya DCI sub county ya Machakos Nzioka Singi.
Kwa scene ambayo ilikuwa ni ya poisoning. Huyu mwanaume ambaye anaitwa Eric Makau alikuwa amebeba tumbako half kilo aende kuweka kwa tangi ya maji, na vile mnajua tumbako ni sumu, ikiwekwa kwa maji na mtu akunywe basi kunaweza tokea maafa. Katika hizo harakati Eric Makau alijaribu kufinyiliwa na wenye familia kitambo tufike, na akataja watu. Katika hao watu alitaja mtu alikuwa anaitwa Mumo Ndhiwa kama mmoja wale walihusika katika kifo ya Katogo, ingawaje tunachunguza, tuseme yeye ndiye alihusika. Tulienda kumtafuta Mumo Ndhiwa na tukampata Machakos Town. Pale Machakos Town Mumo Ndhiwa alikuwa anajaribu kupractice ushirikina. He was practicing witchcraft in a sense that we found him with a lot of charms which he is using, pictures of members of public, and he confessed that they seek medicine approvals from him. we arrested Mumo Ndeiwa, and today we took Mumo Ndeiwa to court. He was prosecuted. We charged him with being in possession of charms or articles used in exercise of witchcraft, sorcery, or enchantment for the purpose to cause fear, annoyance, or injury to another in mean contrary to Section 5 of the Witchcraft Act, number 23, Cap 67, Laws of Kenya.
Wekera bwo mwancho murire w'Ensoko TV na utugwikira omwerio bwa mwaya chinsa 10 erikweneki ayega nko gwikira ari nigo twabwaterana kura sensemo ya kabire na director Zaka Felista Kabeni amo na Brian Achaka gendra gutwara uburire lyobya mugoroba obono erietariane Ishmael Mogere.